Hi friends, let me show you this magnetic power bank and voice recorder that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, you can use this to record whatever, a conference, a lecture, a class, but also your phone calls. Okay, so we are going to test it. It has all these accessories. Okay, perfect. So you can charge all the USB types, micro USB, USB-C, USB-A, and let's try it. Okay, so we are going to test this one with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Of course, you get the magnetic function here, and I'm going to turn on the recorder, okay? ¿Qué onda, Carla? Nomás es una prueba, ¿ok? Gracias. Sí, bye. Okay, so I got the recording of the call both ways, and with this you can hear it and start again. Perfect. So you have the recording of the call, okay? Okay. Now let's send that information to the computer. So you see here, this is the actual drive, and here is the call recording. Here it is.
¿Qué onda, Carla? Nomás es una prueba, ¿ok? Gracias.
You hear the other person, okay? And the other recordings, the unit keeps recording when it's on. Let me show you. The unit keeps recording when it's on a voice activated manner. So if you want to record a class or a conference or whatever, you can use it for that, okay? As you can see, you can record a call with these kind of phones, just turning the unit on, and record any conversation, anything that you're hearing just by turning it on, okay? You get these cables to hear your recordings, the cables to charge your equipment, cables to connect it to your computer, okay? So, well, I think it's an interesting unit with a lot of functions that, they can be useful in your job if you're a student, if you want to hear your classes later on, okay? So, I really recommend it. Thank you.